Okay, by the way guys, I'm doing this live stream for the first time, which means that I'm going to solve you the question live. Okay, let me read the question now. Given that fx equals to 9x plus 4 and gx equals to 3x plus 8, so the question asks to find fg inverse x and the value of x such that gf negative x equals to 23. Okay, so I'm going to discuss this question with you. Okay, let me begin to do the solution. Okay, for the step 1, question part A, what we're going to do is we're going to find G inverse. Okay, so how to find the G inverse? So I'm going to show it to you. So we're going to let G inverse x equals to y. Okay, proceed to the next step. What we're going to do, G y will be equals to x, so this will be your second step. Okay, so your y you're mapping into the function g, and then it will be equals to x. So from here you continue, 3y plus 8 equals to x. So we need to form an expression y in terms of x, guys. So y equals to x minus 8, you divide with 3. Okay, so far so good. So once you already find this expression, okay, now you can proceed to find your G inverse, guys. So since your y is equals to G inverse x, so therefore your G inverse x is equals to x minus 8 over 3. This is your step 1. Okay, I hope you can follow me the working that I've shown to you. Okay, once you have already find the G inverse, now it's easy for us to solve the FG inverse x, guys. So the step 2, what we're going to do is, so we're going to find FG inverse x. Okay, since you have already got the inverse of the g and the function f is already given in the question, which is 9x plus 4, so now we can proceed to find the composite function of fg inverse x. Okay, let us start. Fg inverse x, so your g inverse is x minus 8 over 3, so x minus 8 over 3 okay, so this x minus 8 over 3 will be mapped into the function f. So before doing this, you need to identify the function f, guys. So what is the function f? As you can see here, which is 9x plus 4. So we're going to map x minus 8 over 3 into the function f. So how are you going to do it? So 9 in a bracket, instead of writing here x, we're going to write x minus 8 over 3. Okay, and then you plus with 4. Okay, so 9 in a bracket, x minus 8 divided by 3 close bracket. So this 3 you can simplify, you get 1. So this 9 you can simplify, you get 3. So 3 you times with x minus 8 and then you plus with 4. So from here you get 3x minus 24, you plus with 4. Okay, so from here negative 24 plus with 4, you get negative 20. Therefore your fg inverse x will be equals to 3x minus 20. So this will be your final answer for the question part A. Okay, this is the step-by-step working, guys, for the question part A. It's actually very simple. So the first step, what we need to do is you need to find the G inverse x. So once you already find the G inverse x, then you can proceed to find the FG inverse x. So once you already get this, see here, you already got the answer 3x minus 20. So it's quite straightforward. Okay, for the question part B, we're going to proceed the value of x such that your GF negative x is equals to 23. Okay, let me turn to the next page to do the working now. Okay, GF negative x is equals to 23. Okay, since given fx equals to 9x plus 4, okay, we write down the respective information, guys, and your gx equals to 3x plus 8. Okay, so that I no need to flip the paper front and back, guys, so that's the reason I write the information over here. So we can proceed to solve the question. So g in a bracket, so we're gonna let negative x into the function f, guys, so it will become 9 in a bracket negative x plus 4 close bracket equals to 23. 9 you times with negative x and then you plus with 4, so from here g in a bracket negative 9x plus 4 close bracket equals to 23. Okay, so this negative 9x plus 4 will be mapped into the function g, guys. Okay, so proceed to the next working. Okay, I'm going to show you now. So your your gx is equals to 3x plus 8, so this value will be mapped into the function g over here, guys, where you get 3 in a bracket negative 9x plus 4 plus 8 equals to 23. Okay, negative 3 in a bracket negative 9x plus 4, you expand this bracket and then you plus with 8 equals to 23, so you expand this bracket, you should get negative 27x plus 12. So 3 times with negative 9 you get negative 27, 3 times with 4 you get 12, plus with 8 equals to 23. Okay, 12 plus 8 you get is 20. So this 20 will be moved into the right hand side, so it will become negative 20. So 23 you minus with 20, so from here you get negative 27x equals to 3. So we are almost to the final answer. So negative 27x equals to 3. So how to get the x? So to get the x equals to negative 3 over 27. So this 3 and negative 27 we can simplify. So you simplify this 1, simplify this, you get 9. So therefore you get your final answer, x is equals to negative 1 over 9. Okay, so this is your final answer for the question part B. Okay, let me write here part B. Okay, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. Alright, so this is your question, guys. Okay, by the way, this is my very first live stream, guys. You might be wondering, I have not even having 1,000 subscribers, so how I can even do the live stream? Actually, I'm doing this using the Streamlabs app. So that's how I can able to do the live stream, guys. Okay, if any one of you watching this video, so I hope I've made you solve one question, and I hope you can understand this question well. Okay, that is all, guys. So thank you everyone for your support, and maybe I'll see you in another live stream or another video. Okay, see you then.